Manufacturing is India's growth engine. Across steel, pharma, textiles, and beyond, scale demands intelligence. Introducing Enjen AI, the world's first AI-enabled ERP built exclusively for manufacturing. Designed for diverse industries, Enjen AI connects the shop floor to the boardroom. Production, inventory, quality, and supply chain in real time. A unified command center where every signal, every metric, and every priority converges. Track value by priority, monitor performance trends, and understand contribution across every workflow. Monitor throughput in real time. Track inbound and outbound movement with precision. Understand warehouse performance down to every metric that matters. From zone to rack, every item is precisely mapped and instantly accessible. Monitor stock movement in real time, locate materials faster, and maintain complete visibility across your warehouse. Procurement is seamless, structured, and transparent. Create purchase requisitions in seconds. Define categories, assign departments, and route approvals automatically through smart workflows. From request to approval, every step is organized, auditable, and built for operational efficiency. Quality is where manufacturing excellence is proven. Track inspections across suppliers, materials, and production stages. Identify failures instantly, monitor pending inspections, and maintain complete visibility into quality metrics. Pin the tools you use most right where you need them, reducing navigation time and keeping operations focused. And with live production tracking on large TV screens, every team on the floor stays aligned with a real-time performance. Switch between powerful modules instantly. From CRM and HRMS to supply chain, finance, and more, every function is connected within one unified platform. Plan your manufacturing with precision using an intelligent production scheduling system. Select the appropriate machine line, activate the AI-powered optimization engine to analyze multiple layout possibilities and produce the most efficient plan with minimized material waste. Review key production metrics including efficiency, material utilization, and output configuration. Finalize and save the optimized plan, ready for seamless execution on the shop floor. Real-time insights that empower teams to operate smarter, faster, and more efficiently. This is not just ERP. This is intelligent manufacturing. Enjen AI built for Indian industries, ready to scale globally.